Cabinet Minister and UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that the aspirations of the regional forces are going to be a major focal point in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, stating that the various issues to be taken up during the election campaign have already been spelled out by their candidate when he was declared as the official candidate.
Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we're fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since two major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections.
Social Welfare Minister